Hello friends, in this session we will discuss about how to create and declare an initialization array in single line. Okay friends, and what is the difference between length and length variable. Okay friends, okay, let's see. First one, okay friends, listen carefully. Okay, this is the array declaration. Okay, okay, this is the array creation. Okay, listen carefully. Okay, this is the array initialization. Okay, how to declare and create and initialize arrays in a single line. Okay, listen carefully. Okay, how to make a corresponding code in a single line. Int array x is equal to 10, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay, this is the way. Okay friends, this is the way how to declare, create and initialize an array in a single line. Okay, similar character array also. Character array ch is equal to a, b, c, d. Okay, similar string array s is equal to Prashant, Srikanth, Santosh. Okay friends, this is the way. Okay, okay, similarly we can use this shortcut for multi-dimensional arrays also. Okay friends, similarly we can use this shortcut for multi-dimensional arrays also. Okay, listen carefully. Here is the two-dimensional array. The first element contains single dimensional array size 2. The second element contains single dimensional array size 3. X is the reference variable for that. Okay, how to write corresponding code in a single line. Listen carefully. Int two-dimensional array x is equal to, is a two-dimensional array. What is the first element contains? Single element array size 2, 10, 20. Second element contains single element array size 3, 30, 40, 50. Okay friends, this is the way how to write. Okay friends, we can use this shortcut for multi-dimensional arrays also. Okay friends, okay, listen carefully. Let us discuss example. Int three-dimensional array x is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. $70, $80, $90, $100, $110. Okay friends, okay. SOP x of 0 1 0 SOP x of 1 0 1 SOP x of 2 0 0 SOP x of 0 0 1 SOP x of 0 2 1. Okay, what is the output for these SOP statements? Okay, listen careful friends, what is output for these SOP statements? Okay, first, okay, here is the 3-dimensional array. Okay friends, what is the base size? It is the 2-dimensional array. It is a 2-dimensional array. Okay, what is the base size? 2-dimensional array. X is the reference variable for that. Okay, each 2-dimensional array contains 2-dimensional array. Each 2-dimensional array contains 2-dimensional array. Okay friends, 2-dimensional array. Okay, in the 2-dimensional array, each element contains single dimensional array size 3. Single dimensional array size 3. What is the value? 10, 20, 30. This element contains single dimensional array size 3. What is the value? 40, 50, 60. Okay. The other element contains 2-dimensional array size 2. Size 2. Each element contains single dimensional array size 2, single dimensional array size 3. What is the size? 70, 80. This one size 3. 90, 100, 110. Okay. Okay friends, like this one. What is the value? X of 0 of 1 of 0. Here is the x. 0 of 1 of 0. Okay friends, x of 0, then 1, then 0. What is the value? 10. Okay, the next one. X of 1 of 0 of 1. X of 1 of 0 of 1. Here is the 80. Okay friends, listen carefully. X of 1 and 0 and 1. Here is the answer 80. Okay, what is this value? X of 2, 0, 0. Here is x of 0, here is x of 1. X of 2 is not there. So here we will get a compile time error. Okay friends, here we will get a compile time error saying array index out of bound exception. Okay friends, array index out of bound exception. Okay, the next one. X of 0 of 0 of 1. X of 0 of 0 of 1. What is the value? 20. Okay, here x of 0 of 2 of 1. X of 0 of 2. Here is the x of 0 of 0. It is the x of 0 of 1. X of 0 of 2 is not there. So here we will get a compile time error. Compile time error saying array index out of bound exception. Okay friends, here we will get compile time error saying array index out of bound exception. Okay. Okay friends, now what is the difference between length variable and length method? Length variable and length method. Okay, listen carefully. Int array x is equal to new int of 6. Okay, SOP x of length. SOP x of length. Okay, listen carefully friends. Here it is the length method, here it is the length variable. Okay, here we will get compile time error saying cannot find symbol. What is the compile time error? Cannot find symbol. Okay, which symbol? Method length. Okay friends, which symbol? Method length. Location class int array. Okay friends, which location? Class int array. Okay, here x dot length. What is the length? What is the size? 6. Okay friends, listen carefully. What is the length variable? Length variable is a final variable. It is applicable only for arrays. Okay friends, length is a final variable. It is applicable only for arrays. Okay. Okay. The length variable represents size of the array. Okay friends, the length variable represents size of the array. Okay. Okay. The next one, length method. String s is equal to Prashant. String s is equal to Prashant. SOP s dot length. SOP s dot length. Okay friends, listen carefully. Here we will get compile time error. Which compile time error? Cannot find symbol. Which symbol? Variable length. Location. Which location? Class java dot lang dot string. Okay friends, here what is the corresponding output? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, here 8. Okay, listen carefully. The length method is a final method which is applicable only for string objects. Okay friends, the length method is a final method which is applicable only for string objects. The length method represents number of characters present in a string. Okay. Okay, listen carefully. What is the length variable and length method? Length variable is applicable only for arrays and it represents the size of the array, whereas length method is applicable only for string objects and it represents number of characters present in a string. Okay friends. Okay, see the example. String array s is equal to a b c d e f z z z. Okay, listen carefully. SOP s dot length. SOP s dot length method. SOP s of 0 dot length. Here SOP s of 0 dot length method. Okay, what is the corresponding output for these 4 statements? Okay, here string array is an array. Okay friends, it is an array. Okay, what is the output? Length variable is applicable only for arrays. Okay, s dot length 1 2 3. The size of array is 3. Okay, here it is the s dot length method. Okay, length method is applicable only for string objects. Okay, here we will get a compile time error saying cannot find symbol. Which symbol? Which symbol? Method length. location class string array. Okay, the next one, s of 0 dot length. S of 0 means abc, it's a string. Okay, it is the length variable. Length variable is applicable only for arrays. Okay, here it is the string. So here we will get compile time error saying cannot find symbol. With symbol variable length, location, which location, class java.long.string. Okay friends, what is the final one? S of 0 dot length method. S of 0 here is nothing but string. Length variable is applicable only for string objects. Okay, what is the size? 3. Okay friends, this is the difference between length variable and length method. Okay, remember that point. Length variable is a final variable, is applicable only for arrays. It represents size of the array. Okay friends, what is the length method? Length method is applicable only for string objects. It represents number of characters present in a string. Okay friends, the next concept will be coming into the next video. Please watch the channel and do subscribe for more videos and other computer courses, and keep supporting us. Thanks for watching this video.